that there has been a lot of momentum in the renewable space, mainly in inspections of wind turbines, solar farms. With the rollout of 5G, there is an increasing number of inspections for telecom towers as they need to be inspected annually or semi-annually. Other areas are gaining momentum as well, such as construction, survey and mapping, energy and utilities, or power plant. The obvious one is being a drone pilot with other aspects of drone operations, such as security of the operations and safety. Legal aspects, what if the drone lands on people or property? Operational aspects such as air traffic control, airspace safety, especially with beyond visual line of sight operation. That the companies in the last 5 to 8 years have actually gone on an acquisition spree, not only in acquiring technology companies for photogrammetry solutions, image processing solutions, data processing, but also artificial intelligence. Momentum in the industry has come to that pace where we are looking at completely autonomous inspections of wind turbine blades. These are certain skills that companies are looking for, and they are gradually adapting with these complementary skills. If you look at a couple of major companies, example, TerraDrone in Japan or Skylark in India or Aerodyne in Malaysia, they've actually acquired certain companies with different kind of skills, put them together to create a one-stop solution.